Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a popular hairpiece that's been making waves in the beauty community. We're talking about the Lemoda 13x6 full lace frontal wig. This wig is made from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair and comes with a HD transparent lace that promises a natural look. Now let's see if this wig really lives up to the hype. The Lemoda 13x6 full lace frontal wig offers a 13x6 lace area, which is more generous than your average lace front wig. It gives you a broader parting space, allowing for versatile styles like side parts, ponytails, and even buns. The wig is crafted from 14A grade Brazilian virgin human hair, making it soft, bouncy, and free from any chemical smells. It's naturally black in color and boasts 200% density for a full, thick look. This wig is pre-plucked, which helps create a more natural hairline, and it also comes with baby hairs around the perimeter. The lace is HD transparent, which is designed to be invisible on the skin, making it blend seamlessly with various skin tones. In terms of fit, the cap size is a medium 22.5 inches, which should fit most head sizes comfortably. The wig also has 2 adjustable straps and 3 combs for extra security, ensuring a snug and personalized fit. But how does it perform in real-world usage? When I tried the Lemoda 13x6 full lace frontal wig, I was impressed by how easy it was to set up. The lace was incredibly soft and breathable, which made wearing the wig feel comfortable for long periods. The pre-plucked hairline was a major plus. It gave the wig a more realistic look without the need for heavy customization. I also appreciated the versatility of the 13x6 lace, which made styling a breeze. Whether I wanted to create a sleek side part or pull my hair back into a ponytail, the wig held up perfectly. As for the cons, there were a few minor drawbacks. While the hair itself is soft and has a natural bounce, I did notice a bit of shedding during the first few washes, which is common with human hair wigs. Additionally, the density is thick, which some may find a bit heavy, especially if you're not used to fuller wigs. Now, is this wig worth the price? When it comes to value for money, the Lemoda 13x6 full lace frontal wig is definitely up there in terms of quality. For the price, you're getting a high-density, versatile wig that can last long with proper care. However, if you're on a budget, there are other options in the market, but you might sacrifice the quality and natural look that this wig offers. In comparison to other wigs, the Lemoda holds its ground in terms of both price and performance. Some similar products may offer less density or a less breathable lace, but this one stands out for its HD transparent lace and premium Brazilian virgin hair. The build quality is solid. The lace is soft and feels gentle against the skin, and the hair itself holds up well over time. With proper care, you can expect this wig to maintain its style, though I would recommend avoiding excessive heat styling to preserve its natural texture. I didn't need to contact customer support during my testing, but based on the brand's reputation for quality, I feel confident that their customer service would be responsive if needed. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are other wigs that offer similar features, but they may not match the quality and density of this one. To wrap up, the Lemoda 13x6 full lace frontal wig delivers on its promises. It offers great versatility, a natural look, and high-quality hair. While there are a few minor trade-offs, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a premium human hair wig. If you're someone who loves experimenting with different styles and wants a realistic, full lace wig, this could be a great addition to your collection. Is this review helpful to you? If it is, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. Don't forget to check out the link to grab your own Lemoda 13x6 full lace frontal wig in the comments box below. Feel free to drop any questions or share your own experiences if you already own this wig. Goodbye till next time, stay fabulous, and keep it beautyistic.